My name's Trace Wilson.
My name's Paxton Miller.
I'm Makyre McGee.
And today we're doing a cheeseburger and fry cook-off competition. All right, we're making some smash burger tacos today. We're gonna win this competition.
All right, I'm making Wyatt bacon cheeseburger. And it's gonna win.
Okay, we making the forbidden square burger. We seasoning that jar right now. Paxton think he gonna win. He not gonna win.
That's cap.
Throwing the bacon on the grill. Yes, sir. We locked.
Got Makyre with the SpongeBob SquarePants burger over here. Seasoning the next one. Yes, sir.
All right, we got the burger and the tortilla going on the grill. We're gonna make this little quesadilla for the burger. Let's go.
We just rinse, cut, and season the potatoes, and now we're gonna fry them.
So fries going in, we gonna win this competition. This for all my fans out there, yes sir.
Okay, we let the fries cook and fry for a bit. Nice and crunchy and like kind of golden brown. Now it should be good to put back in the bowl.
What does Makyre got? Got some lemon pepper, onion powder, grounded black pepper, garlic powder, and Trace meat mashing on his burger right now.
Looking good, like my girl.
All right, so we've kind of assembled my burger a little bit. We got the patty, my special sauce, some lettuce, some bacon, and Wyatt likes tomatoes, so I'm gonna put a tomato on there. I would normally not do this, but I gotta win this challenge.
And bring me the food.
All right, so we got you a little bit of some smash burger quesadillas, some fries, and some sauce with a little dirty Mountain Dew. Have a great meal.
Thank you. All right. First, we want to see what these fries about. Is it crispy? Nah, flavor is amazing. It's a little cold. Sauce is good. I'm messing with it though. All right, now we're gonna bite into this little quesadilla burger, whatever this is. Got the little dirty Mountain Dew. Nah, all right. Food, 7.5. Drink it 10 out of 10, so we're gonna give it an 8. 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10 final rating for my boy Trace. Now we got my boy Makyre McGee popping out with the little crab today.
Okay, sir, so we got you the forbidden square burger with some nice, crunchy, crispy fries, some Minute Maid. Hope you enjoy, sir.
Let's hop into this burger. This is great. This burger. Hold on, let me get a fry.
I don't see no sauce with the fries. It's a little weird.
The burger, seasoned, juicy, toppings, sauce. The fries, seasoned, cooked, crispy, crunchy. Everything about this meal is just butter. I don't know if I could have done it better myself. I genuinely don't think I could have. Makyre McGee, this might be top 3 burgers I've ever had in my entire life. I'm going to give this burger a 9.5. The fries are an 8, but that ain't gonna bring the meal down because that burger's so mad good. Minute Maid lemonade. The total meal in general, 9.8. Got my boy P. Millie popping out. We're gonna see what he brings to the table.
Got you a bacon cheeseburger, some little special Parmesan fries, and a little special something to drink, okay?
This burger is great. Really good. That's up there with Makyre. Now let's get into the meal review. Burger, a 9. The drink, a 7. The fries and the sauce, an 8.5. This meal's total is going to come out to be a 9.5.